everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a nice spicy and tangy mango chutney. Now this chutney pairs beautifully with all the different varieties, so let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken one large raw mango and I've just peeled off the skin, so I'm just going to chop it into medium sized pieces. To the mixer jar, add the chopped raw mango pieces. That's about 1 cup. Next I'm adding 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. To this I'm adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 green chilies cut up. So you can adjust the spice according to your taste. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Now if you don't have rock salt, you can just use the regular table salt. So we're going to grind this without adding any water. Next add half cup of curd and grind it to a nice chutney consistency. Transfer the chutney to a bowl. Next I'm going to temper a few ingredients that go into the chutney. The mango season is incomplete without this chutney. If you agree, comment yum. To a tempering pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Once the mustard seed starts spluttering, turn off the stove. Next, add a few red chilies, half, quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida powder or Hing, and a few fresh curry leaves. Gently transfer the tempering to the chutney and give it a nice mix. So there you have this simple and easy to make mango coconut curd chutney that goes extremely well with any tiffin of your choice. You can have it with idlis, dosas, uttapam, vada, or even with fulkas. The best way to enjoy this chutney is when it's nice and fresh. You cannot refrigerate it for more than a day. Well, it's time to taste this yummy and tangy mango chutney. Today I'm serving it with some nice hot steaming idlis. Wow, the flavors are just so perfect. I love this sour and spicy taste. So I'm just literally enjoying this, and it goes so beautifully with this nice soft idlis. It's a very simple chutney. You can easily make it at home in just about 10 minutes. So instead of making the usual chutneys at home, try this chutney with raw mangoes. It's an absolute delight and everybody will enjoy it. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.